Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up NPV Tunnel for a fast, stable, and secure browsing experience. If you've been looking for a VPN app that supports multiple protocols like SSH, SSL, slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks all in one place, then this tutorial is for you. Whether you're new to VPN configuration or already familiar with it, this guide will help you get everything working properly. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for NPV Tunnel. Once you find it, tap Install. When the download finishes, tap Open to launch the app. You'll now see the NPV Tunnel home screen, where all your VPN configurations will be managed. Keep the app open because we'll return to it soon. Before setting up NPV Tunnel, we need a single server that supports all major VPN types. Open your browser and search for SSH Tunnel. From the results, visit the official SSH Tunnel website. This platform provides both free and premium servers for SSH, slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks. On the homepage, sign in with your Google account to access your dashboard. Next, select your region, for example, Asia, Europe, America, or Africa. Choose the one closest to you for better latency. Fill out the account form with your username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA and tap Create Server. After a few seconds, your server will be created. You'll now see configuration details for SSH, slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks, including IP addresses, host names, ports, and credentials. Copy these details and save them in your Notes app. We'll need them next. Now, let's configure SSH in NPV Tunnel. Go back to the NPV Tunnel app and tap the server's icon at the bottom. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner and choose Add Config manually. Select SSH Config. Start with SSH Direct. Enter the host name, port, username, and password from your saved details, then tap Save.
To set up SSH proxy, follow the same steps but include your proxy address and port. If your proxy requires login details, enter them as well. Save this configuration. You can also create an SSH payload profile by adding your payload string for tunneling through restricted networks. For more flexibility, add a proxy payload configuration to combine both methods. Next, we'll configure SSL and TLS. Tap the plus icon again, choose Add Config manually, and select SSH Config. Under Protocol, choose SSL TLS. Enter your host, port, username, and password. In the CNI field, type a valid domain if required by your provider. This can help with network compatibility. Tap Save. You can also create SSL proxy or SSL payload versions if you want to enhance encryption and speed. Now let's set up slow DNS. On the home screen, tap Configs, then tap the plus icon. Choose SSH Config and select the slow DNS protocol. Enter your DNS tunnel server, SSH host, port, username, and password, all from your saved server details. Give it a name and tap Save. Go back and tap Connect. This connection type works well in areas where regular VPN protocols are limited or unstable. Next, we'll configure V2Ray. Tap Servers again, then the plus icon. Choose Import from Clipboard and select V2Ray Config. Paste your V2Ray details from your saved notes. Once imported, it will appear in your server list. Select it and tap Connect to start your V2Ray tunnel. Finally, let's set up Shadowsocks. Tap Servers again, add a new configuration, and choose Import from Clipboard. Select Shadowsocks Config and paste your saved details. After importing, go back to the home screen and tap Connect. Your Shadowsocks tunnel will now be active, ideal for fast encrypted browsing and streaming. Congratulations! You've successfully configured NPV Tunnel with multiple protocols including SSH, SSL, slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks. You can switch between them anytime based on your connection speed and privacy needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more VPN setup guides. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.